Prague Castle, an iconic symbol of the Czech Republic and a must-visit destination for travelers, is a captivating blend of history, architecture, and culture. As one of the largest castle complexes in the world, it offers an immersive experience that stretches back over 1,000 years. Visitors are immediately drawn to its majestic presence, with towering spires, cobblestone courtyards, and intricate Gothic and Baroque designs. Walking through the castle grounds feels like stepping into a living museum, with every corner holding stories of kings, emperors, and legends that have shaped European history. The castle's various sections, from St. Vitus Cathedral to the Old Royal Palace, provide a diverse look into different architectural styles and historical periods. St. Vitus Cathedral, with its awe-inspiring stained glass windows and soaring vaults, is the spiritual heart of the complex and a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Inside, visitors can marvel at the exquisite craftsmanship, including the ornate tomb of Saint Wenceslas, the Czech patron saint, and the chapel that bears his name. The cathedral also houses the crown jewels of the Czech Republic, although these treasures are rarely displayed to the public, adding an air of mystery and reverence to the space. The Old Royal Palace is another highlight, with its Vladislav Hall standing as a testament to medieval engineering and artistry. This grand hall, used for banquets and even jousting tournaments, is an excellent example of late Gothic design and provides a vivid glimpse into the royal ceremonies of the past. Exploring the castle complex also includes visiting the Golden Lane, a charming row of small, colorful houses once home to castle guards, goldsmiths, and even famed author Franz Kafka for a brief period. These houses, now converted into exhibitions and souvenir shops, offer a glimpse into the everyday lives of the castle's inhabitants through the centuries. The Daliborka Tower, a former prison, stands as a reminder of the darker aspects of the castle's history, where visitors can learn about the grim tales of its prisoners. Adding to the historical intrigue is the Basilica of St. George, the oldest surviving church in the castle complex, with its Romanesque architecture providing a stark contrast to the Gothic grandeur of St. Vitus Cathedral. Its serene interior and ancient frescoes offer a moment of tranquility amidst the bustling castle grounds. Beyond its architectural and historical significance, Prague Castle is also a place of stunning natural beauty. The gardens and terraces surrounding the castle provide breathtaking views of the city below, including the red rooftops of Prague's lesser town and the serene Vltava River. These gardens, particularly the Royal Garden with its manicured flowerbeds and Renaissance summer palace, offer a peaceful retreat for visitors and are especially delightful during the spring and summer months when the blooms are at their peak. The castle also hosts numerous cultural events, exhibitions, and concerts, making it a vibrant hub of activity year-round. Visitors can explore art collections, attend classical music performances, or participate in seasonal festivities, ensuring there is always something new to experience. Even after the sun sets, the castle's illuminated silhouette creates a magical atmosphere that draws visitors to its grounds for evening strolls. For those seeking a deeper understanding of the site's history, guided tours are available, led by knowledgeable guides who bring the stories of Prague Castle to life. These tours often include fascinating anecdotes and insights, enriching the experience and highlighting the castle's significance in the broader context of European history. The castle complex is also home to the Czech president's official residence, adding a contemporary dimension to its enduring legacy. While the grounds are extensive, the layout is intuitive, and visitors can easily navigate between the various sections, aided by informative signage and maps. To make the most of a visit, it's recommended to dedicate several hours or even a full day to explore the castle and its surroundings. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, as the cobblestone paths and hilly terrain can be demanding. For a truly memorable visit, timing the trip to coincide with the changing of the guard ceremony adds a special touch, offering a glimpse into the modern traditions that complement the castle's historic charm. Prague Castle's location at the heart of the city makes it easily accessible, with numerous transportation options, including trams and buses, leading directly to its entrance. The walk up to the castle, although steep, is well worth the effort, as the journey offers picturesque views of Prague's historic center. Food and drink options are plentiful within the castle area, with cafes and restaurants serving both traditional Czech cuisine and international fare, allowing visitors to pause and recharge before continuing their exploration. Souvenir shops offer unique mementos, from handcrafted jewelry to books on the castle's history, ensuring visitors can take a piece of their experience home. Whether visiting for its historical significance, architectural beauty, or cultural offerings, Prague Castle leaves an indelible impression on all who step through its gates. It is not merely a tourist attraction but a testament to the enduring spirit of the Czech people and their rich heritage. The castle's ability to seamlessly blend the past with the present ensures it remains a cherished symbol of Prague and a highlight for travelers from around the globe. Subscribe this channel, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got heaps of adventures to share.